ambuzza nti awulidde buyaya nakungi nnyo ng'Obuganda bwebuuza ku nsonga za Ssaabasajja Kabaka. Nga bw'omanyi nti obuvunaanyizibwa bwange tebukoma waffe Buganda wabula bugenda mu Uganda n'ebitundu bya Uganda byonna ebitundu byakyo kimu naye nabikiva naye waliyo abakulembeze abatwala Obuganda era abavunaanyizibwa kweri ku nsonga eyo. So nange nja kweyazika ebigambo bya Medi Nsereko kugambe nti Buuza Mayiga. Kati museka ki? Are you coming back in 2026? I am here. I was elected as president. I am the incumbent. Thank you very much. I hesitate to but I also know that there are those that are many times tasked to ensure that I put the names of some politicians in my mouth to give it importance. But the issue of my former deputy president was resolved, and I wouldn't want to dwell on that because we have issues that are important right now, and I would rather concentrate on those issues. About electoral reforms. How do you reform impunity? We have the law, much as it has been tampered with numerous times, but it's not respected. So there's no amount of reform that is going to reform impunity. The law, even the way it is, if it's respected, can deliver us to where we want to go. Of course, the Supreme Court ordered for reforms, for electoral reforms. But if the Supreme Court has not been respected, then why do we think there's anything more to get from these institutions? The best thing is to remove the dictator Museveni, have a transition in this country, and have a new Uganda where the rule of law will be respected. Yes, we cannot hesitate to talk about the next election because Museveni fears elections, and every day he sees us moving towards the election, and the biology favors us, the law favors us, morality favors us, and age favors us. That is why he is trying to use all ways to scrap the election. We are not sure that we'll have an election because Museveni fears taking on anybody, especially myself, in an election. If we are to go into any election, it will be a protest vote. Bambuzo oba tunagenda mu kalulu aka 2026 era oba twagala electoral reforms, naye nkugambye nti okuvuluga amateeka oba obwannagwano amateeka neta tugamenya ebika tugamenya kino okubeerawo tetulina kumenya amateeka ekyennaku tetukyali mu mbeera eyo. So tubala tubadde tubagamba tulwana okumakinga sure gavumenti ya Museveni egwa kati. Museveni singa ateekebwako envumbo kati, singa ayitibwa mu kkooti y'ensi yonna kati, tuba tumunafuyiza kati, era tugenda musuula kati nga tetunatuuka mu 2026. Naye ne bwe tuba tutuuse mu 2026 tuba twagala protest vote. Protest vote ke kalulu aka ekyo mukinkisize mu Uganda. Ekisooka ak'okuzoganya. Ekisemberayo ddala I have been asked that Balaam asked for the list of political prisoners and missing persons. And after the list was provided, he asked us to write a document and append our signatures. What kind of nonsense is that? I think our friend Balaam should be schooled about how the law works. he seems to suggest that there's no rule of law. He seems to suggest that the courts are indeed impotent, useless. He seems to suggest that Museveni is a king, that Museveni is the Alpha and Omega, which is nonsense, which is impossible. Museveni can pretend that way. He can have, bootlickers and praise singers like Balaam. He can have 1,000 useful idiots like Namboze said, like Honorable Namboze said, but that won't change the fact that Uganda is a constitutional republic and we must all be equal before and under the law. What Balaam is saying, Norbert Mao said when he was just appointed minister. Where is Norbert Mao? He's also celebrating now, he's also complaining now. Balaam will be alright. It is good. Let him put on his suits or t-shirts for that matter. But he should know that is not the first to be used by Museveni. Mwami Balaam yasaba olukalala lw'abantu baffe abawambibwa ababusibwawo n'abo bali mu makomera awatali musango. Newankubadde lisiti eyo yali yatwalibwa dda mu parliament. Lisiti eyo era yamuweebwa. Kaakati ali mu kusaba kiwandiiko nga kiriko omukono gwange n'ogw'abakulembeze bannange. Naye ndi mu kwebuuza nti weewussa bwatayi kuki Balamu bw'agamba. Kyagamba ye ekyo kakireke kakyesirekere. Naye njagala Mwami Balamu amanye si yasoose Norbert Mao nga bakamu omulimu ebyo bye yasookeramu, naye kati simanyi kyali okugamba gwanga saawa zino. Mwami Balamu alinga agamba nti ekooti tezirina mugaso, n'ebitongole ebikwatibwako ku nsonga eyo tebirina mugaso, nti omuntu bw'aba ng'azizza omusango nga bwe bagamba nti azizza omusango, olina agenda wa minisita wa Museveni ow'abaana n'abavubuka n'omusaba, ye n'agenda ewa Museveni n'afukamira, Museveni n'agira nti bamute. Museveni si ge mateeka, Museveni si ye Katonda. Tulina amateeka wa newankubadde tegaweebwa kitiibwa. Ne tumanyi nti gye bujja ne Mwami Balamu ajja kumanya tikwadiringa naye nakyemalira atakyalina buswaga. Mwebale nnyo bassebo ne bannyabo okumpuliza olunaku lwa leero, mbaagaliza olunaku olulungi.
Thanks so much for coming.